Hey, I wanted to do a quick review of the Money Every Month system from PHP Trading. This is the back office, which you'll have access to once you pay the $98 or $99. I can't really recall which it is, but it's basically a lot of videos. As you can see here, each section has a bunch of videos based on a specific subject. The main thing they're going to teach you is how to trade based on the Greeks, and they're also going to teach you adjustments, which is also extremely important. Module 11 is filled with bonuses, but that's only if you have a larger account, which I don't, so I haven't actually started to look into this yet. But back to the strategy itself. When you actually get to the Thinkorswim platform, I honestly had no idea how to use any of this, but they also showed me in a video how to do that as well, so I was very grateful to have it. All I know right now is how to do Forex, so I was pretty much a straight beginner when it comes to options, and they teach you everything you need to know. Anything I didn't know or had a question on, I just went to the internet to do a search, and I found it relatively easily. One of the main things I wanted to show you is this: the Greeks, Delta, Gamma, Theta, Vega. This is how they teach us to actually manage our accounts. As you can see right now, I'm up $131. On the day, I'm up 16, and my margin was 300. So I'm up about 45% right now. I think it's 45%. Let me check real quick. $300 margin times 45%. 135. Well, it's about 43%. Either way, I'm up. They're going to teach you that once 10 days hits, 10 days until your option expires. As you can see here, I have 10 days until my options expire. And he said that once it hits about, 10, 15, 20%, that's when you're going to want to start looking at taking profits. And in this video, I'm currently up about 43%. So there's no point in me trying to hold it any longer. I'm going to go ahead and get out, take the money that I have here. I want to exit these trades right here so you guys can see. Here's the Iron Condor and the DIA. We're going to take a quick look at that chart. I'm going to exit portfolio and go into single. This is my IWM position. As you can see here, it's pretty far from the center. My max profit right now is $102, and I'm currently at 45. The white line is my profit. The red line is the potential profit, and I'm creeping up on my break-evens here. Let's see here. Pretty sure I had to make an adjustment in the IWM early. Yeah, I did. So let's check on the EEM. It's another one of my double calendar positions here. Alright, the EEM is still looking good. I'm pretty close to the center, my white line here. As you can see right here, right now I'm at $10.97 with a potential of $14, so I'm pretty close. Now let's check on the Iron Condors. SPY is the first one. Again, pretty close to the center. Have a potential of $69, and I'm currently up 49. So I'm pretty close to the max profit on that one. On the DIA, max profit is 32, and I'm at right almost at 29. So I can definitely go ahead and close out these trades. Everything looks good as far as closing things out. So I'm going to look at doing just that. One moment, let me check this IWM position. I was actually hoping that this was going to bounce off of this line right here. Hit it right here as resistance, and hit it right here as resistance also. Then it stuttered before it broke through it, and it's been following it along this line here. So it might bounce off and push us even deeper into profit, but I'm not really concerned with that right now. And another thing I should mention is he also teaches about the VIX and how to use that in determining the market direction, and also the, where is it here, DJI, and also how to use this in determining how the market is going to open, and also the direction of the market. But when you buy the course, you'll learn all of that easily enough. Alright, so back to my analysis tab. Let's go ahead and look at closing some of these trades and seeing how much profit we can get. The DIA, I think that was the first one I'm set up to close. Exactly, okay. Alright, we're going to go ahead and look at trying to get this closed out. Alright, let's go ahead and do it. Send. Says working, so we're going to give this a second here and see if we're able to get closed out of everything okay. And if not, we'll have to go back and try it at a different price. Still working. It's one of the main differences I've noticed between this and Forex. With Forex, once you sell it, it's gone. But with this right here, it takes minutes, and waiting can be extra annoying, especially in this situation where I'm trying to record a video. So we'll basically, let me go ahead and just pause this. Actually, I'm gonna pause it. I'll come back with you guys once this either shows working or I'll cancel it. I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright, looks like the market has moved some, so I'm gonna try this again. I'm going to be replacing my previous order and trying this new order. Okay, canceled one, replaced it with another one. Alright, so this one is now flat. That is done. Let's go over to the next one. Let's go to the SPY. I'm going to try to do the exact same thing here. And hopefully when this is all done, we'll be able to look and see if we made any, well, of course we made profit, but we'll both be able to see how it looks. Alright, create closing orders. Where is it at? 48 buy. Let me see here. 48 sell. Okay. Just making sure everything was right. Send. Alright, this one's working as well. Most likely I'm gonna have to pause it again. Alright, I'll be back with you guys once this one is filled. Alright, I'm gonna have to try this again. That one's not getting filled. So I'm gonna replace the old one, try a new one. And while this is working, I'm going to press pause again. Hopefully this one will get filled and get us out of this trade. Alright, just got out. Took a couple minutes to go through, but it did end up going through. So that's the second one that we're out of now. Now we're going to move over to the IWM. It's currently down 8 cents. We're up about $40 though, so let's keep on moving here. This is another one that I actually had to do a adjustment on. Alright, hopefully everything will go in the same manner. Create closing order. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and input this. I'll be back with you guys once it goes through. Alright, this one's ready to close out. Let's go ahead and send this now. Alright, that is done. We're moving over to our last position now. The EEM. Didn't do any adjustments on this, so it should Need to change this to blast all. I keep forgetting that. Alright, let's try this again. Create closing order. Okay, I'm gonna just change these to market. If I wanted to wait, I could change them to limit, but I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up here. Confirm and send. Credit, okay. Send. And I'm out. Let me make sure EEM is out, IWM is out, SPY is out, DIA is out. So that's everything. Now let's go back and look at the monitor tab. Alright. Trying to actually see where it shows what I've done. Account summary. Profit and losses by symbol. Okay. I did try something with natural gas, but this didn't have anything to do with the actual system. Alright. Let's see what we made. So we made $46 here, $40 here, $6 here, $7 here. So as you can see, we did make a pretty good profit on the $300 margin. Let's see what it all totaled out to be. $40 plus 46 plus 13. Okay, so we made $99. And it looks like not using the limit order did take away some of our profit. So I'm gonna have to look more into that in the future. But it does look like using the limit order to get out so we can get the price we want is probably the best way to do it. But I wanted to go through this video fairly quickly. So we got out with about $100. So let's see what that comes out to. 300 times 20%, that's 60. 300 times 25%, 75. 300 times 80%. I knew that was going to be up higher. I'm not even sure why I did that. This is what I was thinking to do. Alright. So that's a bit closer. So we should be right at about 35%. Yeah. 35%. In the course is going to say anything above 20% is what you should be trying to take out. So we did pretty good. And I'm going to start looking, I guess, for next month. I probably won't be making a video for next month. I want to use the limit orders to get out next time and also try a couple new things. So the system does work. It'll teach you everything you need to know. I'm going to be trying to trade with a larger lot size this time, just a little bit. And I guess that is all. Thank you.